Alright, so I raked the hay twice. I didn't video it, it was just excuse me. Yeah, I went in, I just raked it out quick once Wednesday, I guess. Didn't do very good, just wanted it to dry. Yesterday, late yesterday afternoon, I went in to the field again, done a real good raking. There's still a little bit of green in it, but it's probably 92% ready. It's the odd green patch, but it'll go today. So now, get the air compressor here, a few tools, grease gun. So I'm gonna head up to the field, just do some quick maintenance on the baler, get ready for baling. Want to grease the U-joints and stuff, blow out the nutters, hit them with some spray lube. So anyway, better get up there. Can's pretty well empty. Now, stuff looks good to go. Let's see, when did I bale this? Baled some Monday night and I finished this bud up Tuesday. Right. Raked it twice. Yesterday, there's still a little bit of green in it, but it's looking good now. So, get this baled up, hauled home under the tarp. To the headlands of that other piece there. And right now it's not showing any rain till Wednesday, so I should mow that other piece of this field tomorrow, really, and get it all done and in Tuesday. In theory, that works. All right, gonna go have a coffee and bring the tractor up and start baling. All right, all hooked up, ready to go. Shear pin replaced, U-joints greased, nutters cleaned out. Now, because of the weather, it has been sitting for a while, so just hope those strings hold up long enough to make a bale. What I should do is just trip it right now. Turn it on, yeah. That's what I'll do. I'll just set that to trip, and then I don't have to worry about these old strings. Hopefully. No, that won't work. It might. Some right there. So I'm just kind of worried about the strings because they've been sitting. I don't know, they don't look too bad. Yeah, they should hold. I'll just trip it now. I'm gonna get over there and start going. That'll set and push this junk out of here. Alright, well. There. Alright, that'll make her trip as soon as I put her in gear. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so that string did give me some issues. They were just sitting for a while. It got wet, of course. So I just had a big piece kind of let go here. This pulled out of the knotter. Anyways, still through the needles, so I'm just going to trip it again. There we go. That should re-seat it up into my knotter. And this bale here, well, this side's good, but that side was kind of broke real long. I got it tied on. So save that bale. This little bit here, just put it out in the windrow somewheres. And another issue is this outside windrow. It's got some older stuff in it from last time I was here. Trying to kick it out of there too. Something you can use for bedding or fertilizer. So hopefully now she'll start going. All right, let's give this another try. It worked. String's back up in the knotter, so let's continue fighting with this outside windrow. I only had a few feet to go. Maybe I'll just jump over the other one. I don't fucking know. Anyway, hopefully things get going better. Well, they will. So anyway. Had something to eat, lots of water in me, and a coffee. Now it's time to start hauling in hay. Alright. Quick guess, get some bales there. I got maybe 55 bales here. Get a total count when I get them home. But, a lot of hay in them. They are tight, heavy bales. So if I was baling them at the consistency I was when I first started, I'd probably have closer to 80 bales here. So I'm getting everything dialed in. I want a good tight pack bale, so alright, he's loading up here and get things strapped down. Alright, there's 36 bales on there. Threw 3 in the back of the truck, another one sitting there, I'll throw that in. So I'll be taking 40 of them home this trip. My ratchet straps, normally, like the access, like to go the other way, tuck it in underneath. Looks good. It's easy to tighten up if you have to, but pain in the ass to do on this hay, and I'm only, the road's right there, I'm only going down the hill, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Stuff them in there. So I got 23 bales left down there, and I don't know what I got around those headlands yet. Probably be close to a full trailer load. So we'll find out next trip. Now, see if I can get out in the road without getting killed. There's too many bushes there. I'm gonna have to cut them back sometime. I'm gonna keep using this field. And got 2-wheel drive. Wish that truck was 4, but anyway. So, a bit of a hill to get out of here in those bushes. Should be fun. I video it, but I'm really gonna need 2 hands. All right, let's go. Got out, got home. Took 3 tries. Some mud there, I done some spinning. Maybe I'll put the drawbar on the tractor. It's got a ball on it. So maybe I'll use that for the next load. So I should be able to get whatever's left on here. So probably come up out of there better than the truck. Anyways, let's get the start out of the way and start unloading. So, and yeah, probably just shut her down here. And I don't know, see what happens here in the next day or two. I think I'm going to make a baler twine run in the morning. And as long as the weather keeps looking good, probably mow a bunch more tomorrow when I get back from that. So say for now, I'll get this stuff piled up here, and I say I'll probably use the tractor because I can haul the trailer with that. Just come up out of there easier, and I'm sure to be safer because I had to fucking gunner to get up out of there. So all right, that's it for now.